Now, y'all have seen me make gooey butter cakes several times on the show. I think out of all the gooey butter cakes, just the basic recipe may very well be my favorite. And then I'm adding chocolate toffee bits. And you can find these in your bacon section. These are just yummy. So I'm gonna start with the base to our gooey butter cake. I've got a stick of butter melted here. I've got a yellow cake mix here. I'm gonna add 1 egg and 1 stick of melted butter. Now while I'm mixing up this, I'm gonna go ahead and add another stick of butter. So that's gonna melt and we're gonna mix this up. And this batter is gonna be real thick. All right, I've got our crust and 1 egg and 1 stick of melted butter blended together here. But because I'm cooking outside and using my little mini oven, a 13 by 9 by 2 wouldn't fit in this oven. So I'm doing it in 2 8 by 8 pans. All I'm gonna do is divide our batter up, half in one pan and half in the other. And we're just gonna press this into our pan. Now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna make the filling to our gooey butter cake. And I'm gonna use the same bowl. I don't have to wash it. It's not gonna affect the center of our gooey. I'm gonna start with an 8-ounce package of cream cheese that's been softened to room temperature. I'm gonna add 2 eggs. A teaspoon of vanilla. Another stick of melted butter. I'm going to get every drop out. And 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar. Now we're just going to beat this up until it's smooth. All right. And now we're going to add our toffee bits to this. And I'm just going to fold those in. Now you can get toffee bits 2 ways. You can get the plain toffee bits or you can get toffee bits with chocolate. Now I'm going to divide this center into both of these pans. And I'm just spreading this out. All right. Now, I like a little sprinkled on top, so when it bakes, you can see that it's not just a regular gooey butter cake. So I'm going to take a few and just put on top like that. Now I'm going to put these in the oven. It's been preheated to 350 degrees. And because of the sizes of these pans, I'm gonna just watch that. I'm gonna keep checking on them periodically after like 30 minutes. Our gooey butter cakes turned out really good. It's amazing how well these little ovens will bake. These gooey butter cakes look delicious too. Sometimes I'll use these to put in the center of a baked Alaska. Ooh, I'm going to try to resist tasting it and just keep those piled up there. They look scrumptious. I think the cook has earned the right to taste a gooey butter cake. So let's see how they turned out. They look yummy. You can see the toffee nut and the chocolate in the gooey part of that. It's unbelievably rich. While our cake's baking, I'm gonna clean up.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.